Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to schedule automatic reports in Gusto. You manually pull in reports every week or month. Let's automate that. Gusto lets you to schedule reports to run and deliver themselves, so you can get the data that you need without having to lift a finger. Let's get into it. Now, the first step is going to be to navigate to the report section. Start by logging into your Gusto account, and then from the dashboard, click on reports, and that's in the left hand menu. Now, step 2 is going to be to choose or create a report. Now, you can either select an existing report from the list, or you could create a custom one using the custom reports tool. If you haven't made your custom report yet, check out our last tutorial. Step 3, click on schedule. Now, once you've selected or created your report, look for the schedule button, usually near the top right of the report screen. Click on that to open the scheduling option. Step 4, set the frequency. Now, choose how often that you want the report to be generated. Gusto offers several frequency options like daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or quarterly. So just pick whatever works best for you. Step 5, select recipients. Now, add the email addresses of the people who should receive this report automatically. You can include yourself, HR team members, or anyone else who needs the data. Step 6, confirm and save. Now, review your schedule and receipt list. Now, once everything looks good, hit save schedule. Gusto will now generate and send the reports automatically based on your settings. And that's it. You've just scheduled an automatic report in Gusto. One less thing to worry about, and one more reason to love automations. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.